Another big mistake people make when first getting started selling on Amazon is they're not too sure what the steps are to launching that particular product on Amazon. So they make the wrong steps. Now, when you launch a product on Amazon, you do actually need to follow a few steps. Number one, a barcode. Every product that you send to the Amazon warehouse requires a barcode. Not many people know that, but it does require an Amazon barcode. It's called an FNSKU. Now, we actually create these barcodes for our clients. So when we are launching our clients' products on Amazon, we do create these barcodes for our clients. And just be aware that if you plan on using Amazon's storage facility, which is the Amazon warehouses around Australia and around the world, you will require an Amazon barcode. Now, number two, you will need headlines, copy, descriptions, HTML, images. It all needs to be researched. You need to figure out what keywords your customers are typing in to Amazon to find similar products to what you're selling, all right? So keep that in mind as well. Not many people know how to do the keyword research, let alone actually do it in the first place, right? So keep that in mind. Keyword research is paramount. Now, when we launch products on behalf of our clients, we do all the keyword research that they need, right? Number three, you need powerful images. You need images that sell. Now, people on Amazon can't touch the product. They are not in store, right? They can't touch it. They can't feel it. They can't smell it. They can't hold it. So your images need to speak 1,000 words. They need to really sell whatever it is you're selling, right? So features, benefits, you need to really push it forward. You need to explain why your product is more powerful, works better, is better, cleaner, more portable, stronger, more durable, whatever it is. You need to explain that in the images, right? When we design images for our clients, for the products that we are launching, we design powerful images that are designed to sell your product better than any other competitor, right? And lastly, when your product is launched, you need to figure out how you're driving eyeballs to that listing. You need to get traffic to that listing, all right? You need to be able to drive eyeballs to every single page. You want to get as much traffic as you possibly can from people interested in your product or products similar to your product, all right? When we launch a product on behalf of our clients, I actually jump on a Zoom with clients face to face, and we share Zoom, and I walk you through exactly how to market your product. I set up the marketing for your product, and I show you what else you can do to launch your products on other platforms as well, right? So hopefully that sort of answers your question there. That's usually what is involved with launching products, but most people don't really follow the steps, let alone know the steps. And that is the reason why we launch products on behalf of our clients. Now, even here, I mean, I've been on a bit of a business holiday for the last month, and I've been working, doing listings while I'm away. I've also been working on my Amazon business, right? So I spend roughly 15 minutes a day on my personal Amazon business, finding new products, working with new suppliers, and launching my own products on Amazon. And I've been doing it essentially from a deck chair over there. If you would like a similar business, if you would like to achieve what we call financial freedom, where you can work from anywhere, you can basically work from a chair over there, you can work from a cafe, you can work from anywhere. You are your boss, you're not working the 9 to 5, and this truly is a business that you can pass along or potentially teach a member of your family, a loved one, a child, a teenager, right, looking to start a business and not join the workforce. So if that is you, give us a call in the office. The number is on the screen. I would love to have a chat with you. When you do give us a call in the office, sometimes it's actually me that answers the phone, and I would love to have a chat with you and basically decide, or help you decide really, on the types of products you want to get involved in, and maybe the types of products you want to sell, and maybe get started with your Amazon business. It does not take long to start an Amazon business. You can really start an Amazon business in 3 weeks, 3-4 weeks. You can decide on your product and start the process to launching that product, all right? Give us a call in the office. The number's on the screen. We'd love to have a chat with you. Bye for now. Take care. In the next 45 seconds, I'm going to walk you through how to get something started on Amazon. I'm going to guide you step by step what you need to do if you are wanting to sell on Amazon and you're based in Australia or New Zealand. Now, number one is find small, lightweight, simple products like these, all right? A lot of those products are out there. They exist. They're very small. They're simple. There's no batteries. They're lightweight. Doesn't cost a lot of money to ship. and very easy to maneuver, all right? You want to find these products. The second step is to find a good supplier. You can find these products on quite easily from overseas suppliers very cheaply. And the next step is to ship it to Amazon warehouses. There's warehouses based all around Australia. In fact, they're building another one here in Sydney where I'm based. They're actually all around the world, and a lot of them are based in America. Guys, if you are looking to get something started on Amazon and you're a beginner and you've never done this before, I put together an exclusive training. So this training, around this video, there's a link. Give that link a click. We actually walk you through 10 products that are selling really well right now. These 10 products, I will walk you through what to look for, the next steps that you need to take, and I'm going to assume that you are a beginner, that you've never done any of this sort of stuff before. I'm going to assume all of that, and I'm going to walk you through what you need to do next if you are looking to get something started on Amazon, okay? So guys, around this video, there's a link. Give that link a click. I would love to work with you. If you're looking for help, in fact, launching your first product on Amazon, I can even help you list and launch your first product on Amazon Australia, or even Amazon USA, all right? So guys, I've been doing this now for over 10 years, helping people find products and launch them on sites like Amazon, all right? We've worked with a lot of students, different levels of experience. Some people are 19 years old, some people are even 80 years old. We've helped people even 80 years old launch their product on sites like Amazon. So it doesn't matter about your experience, it doesn't matter whether you've done this before, it doesn't even matter whether or not you've even sold anything before online. Anyone can do this. Around this video, there's a link. Give that link a click. I would love to see you on this training. Have a great day. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now. See you later.
Having never sold anything online before, I feel like I can actually get started and do it.
Product ideas, yeah, I've got many product ideas out of it. Alex has been able to show us how to define and redefine what products sell the best.
Alex is friendly, he's outgoing, he answers everything. He doesn't put you off about anything. Yeah, he's really good.
I currently work in the corporate world. I work 9 to 5, and the reason why I chose to sell on Amazon is I wanted to free up my time to spend with my young family and be in charge of my earning potential. And Amazon has definitely got the potential to help me do that. Along with Alex and his support, I'm hopefully going to give it my 9 to 5.
Alex is very professional and very approachable.
He doesn't talk too fast, which is good, so you can learn and hear it clearly. A lot of presenters sometimes rush through things, but he's very clear and deliberate, and he really takes care to cover a subject really thoroughly, so you can learn it and actually learn the real things, what really will make a difference to getting your products going and your business going.
I'm actually now very keen to actually get out there and do it myself.
The best that I've actually experienced probably within the last 10 years.
It's the first time I've met Alex face to face, and he came across as very much the way it is online, very heartwarming. He wants to be there for you, I get that. He's not just come to my seminars and you'll never see me. No, it's very much you'll meet me face to face. Whatever I'm telling you online is what I'll be telling you in person.
So after I attended the webinar and I came here, I think Alex did a very good job of explaining what you need to do and the methodical way of actually where you start.
Getting the confidence to launch the whole product, find a product, get the confidence to launch it, and having the finer details, I suppose, to make sure it gets up there and actually sells. I have a few product ideas from the conference, but I've also got a few from my personal meetings like with Alex.
His online system has been really awesome, really easy to follow. I learned so much from it, and it's basically kickstarted my business.
And I'm spending much more time with the family, which is the most important thing, and having time to yourself and the family.
I'd recommend this conference for anyone that's really considering the online environment. One of the things that really impresses is the way that they've taught us not only the sales side, but also how to source the products, and that's why I was attracted to the course in the first place. So anyone that's thinking of selling products online, this course would actually be beneficial.
I did it to try and find more time.
Build a business that I can sort of work on and expand and make decent income from.
We have gone ahead in leaps and bounds. We love it. I'm enjoying the course thoroughly. It explains things very well.
This course to me is much better than a lot of the other courses that people are offering because of the personal touch.
Go with someone that's in Australia. A bit more in common too with things that we can sell and buy.
What I've loved about the training is the personalised service. It's been the access to experts that are on hand to answer your questions, and they do it really well.
I decided that a 9-to-5 traditional way of earning money was no longer an option for me.
I choose Alex and his team because they have good system in place in teaching us beginners.
I can do it in my own time, and if I have any trouble, I know I can message them.
I've really enjoyed the support around me. It's been really enjoyable having them there and knowing at a click of a button, just ask them a question.
This kind of business is, you have to learn a lot. You need this type of team to do it.
I never done in the online business before, and you have the guideline and to do anything from beginning.
It's set out logically, it's easy to follow, it's simple.
Full of knowledge, down to earth. What they have, the knowledge is just invaluable.
Very easy to understand, and the support that you get after.
Email questions or send text messages and things, and usually you get a reply within about a day or so.
I will happily recommend this program to anybody who has no previous experience or knowledge in the online business.
Yes, I'd be happy to recommend to any of my friends, colleagues, or anyone that should ask.
The software programs that they use with finding products, how to use and focus on keywords.
The training part is very comprehensive, very nicely laid out, step-by-step program. It's easy to find things that you're looking for.
I'm new at any business. This is my first time starting any business at all, and I just feel comfortable, I feel confident, and to know that there's support.
Through your training, you've given me the confidence to actually go out there, get my own supplier, buy my own products to go and sell on Amazon. Of course, I would definitely recommend your training. I think it's absolutely brilliant.